All right, so I hope everybody's doing okay. What I've got today is a column of data, and what I want to do is understand how the filter command works. It functions in a very simple way, and its goal is to literally filter the data. And this is often useful to us to sometimes understand what the data really is and if there's anything missing in the data. And we might want to get rid of that or understand what different values are there in the dataset. Of course, we could plot it, but then the missing values often do not get represented nicely in a plot. So, uh, one of the ways we could do this in Excel is to select the column that we want to filter, and then we would see this icon on top right that says sort and filter. Yes, it's good for sorting data too, but what we're looking at today is the filter itself. And once we click that, we should see this small arrow on the top of the column, right on the header. And if we click it, we get this menu right here. Now this is the filtering part. This is the filter menu that you see right here. And you see all of this data as selected, which means you are currently seeing all of this data and this is selected. Now if I scroll all the way down, I would see this blanks selected. Now this tells me there is some data that has been erased or it's missing, and I can see a blank entry right here. And if I deselect this, what this really does is it gets rid of that particular row. Notice there's 25 and 27 now. 26th row is gone because I have filtered it out of my data. And there's also another entry that I can see right here, row 19, which is some wrong entry in this data set, for example. I might also want to get rid of that, so I'm going to deselect it. And then this is what my final data column looks like. Okay, so I've gotten rid of my entries, and then I could always, the wrong entries and the blank entries, and then I could always work with this um, filtered data, which is in its nice form, right? So I could always then select this data. I could see that the average is there. I could see there's 38 values. I could plot this. I could do different things with this data. Um, so this is in fact a very nice utility, a very nice way to work with data by filtering unwanted things out. And you could always clear the filter to get back to the original shape of the data, original column, and deselect the filter option to get rid of this filtering menu that we get access to from the top of the column. So that's about it. Thank you.